Winifred Falls is a hidden gem nestled in the Royal National Park, just south of Sydney. This picturesque waterfall is a serene oasis, perfect for a rejuvenating swim or a peaceful picnic. With its crystal clear waters and breathtaking rock formations, Winifred Falls is a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and hikers alike. The adventure begins at the trailhead on Warumbul Road, where limited parking is available. To make the most of your visit, be sure to arrive early and prepare for a moderate 3.5-kilometre return hike with some steep sections. The trail, a fire trail with rocky and uneven terrain, leads you through lush bushland before descending towards the falls. Be mindful of your footing as you navigate the final stretch to the cascading waters. Once you reach Winifred Falls, you'll be greeted by the sight of water flowing gracefully over a sandstone ledge into a tranquil pool. Take a refreshing dip in the calm waters, or relax on the flat rock platforms surrounding the falls. After rainfall, the falls are even more spectacular, though the trail may be slippery. For the best experience, plan your visit during spring and summer to ensure optimal swimming conditions. Weekdays and mornings are ideal times to avoid crowds and fully immerse yourself in the beauty of Winifred Falls. Whether you're seeking a short hike, a cool swim, or a peaceful retreat in nature, Winifred Falls promises an unforgettable adventure. Don't miss out on this enchanting spot in the Royal National Park.